Okay, it's November 9th, and I leave in a few days for Guyana. This will be the first time I've ever worked outside the United States, so I want to document this journey the best way I know how, and that's video. I plan to eat where the locals eat and hit up all the local shops, markets, and attractions. So if you want to follow along, please subscribe to the channel. If you think it's a cool idea, share it with your friends, and let's see where this thing goes. I'll see you next week in Guyana.